Ordovician, Silurian Extinction. Around 444 million years ago, one of the earliest mass extinctions struck life on Earth. At the time, nearly all living things existed in the oceans. Scientists believe a period of intense global cooling caused massive glaciers to form, locking up huge amounts of water. Sea levels dropped, shallow marine habitats disappeared, and many species could not adapt. When the climate later shifted again, ocean conditions changed rapidly. About 85% of marine species vanished, making this one of the most severe extinction events in history. Late Devonian Extinction. The late Devonian Extinction was not a single disaster, but a series of extinction pulses that unfolded over millions of years, about 372 to 359 million years ago. During this period, coral reefs that had flourished for ages began to collapse. Changes in ocean chemistry, falling oxygen levels, and possible volcanic activity are often linked to the crisis. Many fish groups were heavily affected, while reef-building organisms suffered devastating losses. The event reshaped marine ecosystems and marked the end of an important chapter in Earth's early oceans. Permian, Triassic Extinction. Often called the Great Dying, this extinction occurred about 252 million years ago and remains the largest known mass extinction ever recorded. Vast volcanic eruptions in what is now Siberia released enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Global temperatures rose dramatically. Oceans became warmer and less oxygen-rich, and many environments turned hostile to life. Nearly 90% of marine species and around 70% of land vertebrate species disappeared. The scale of destruction was so great that life on Earth needed millions of years to recover. Jurassic Extinction. About 201 million years ago, another major extinction event cleared the way for a new era. Large volcanic eruptions associated with the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea released huge quantities of carbon dioxide. The resulting climate instability placed intense pressure on ecosystems around the world. Many reptiles, amphibians, and marine organisms vanished. In the aftermath, dinosaurs survived and expanded into ecological roles left empty by extinct competitors, setting the stage for their long dominance. Cretaceous, Paleogene Extinction. This extinction happened about 66 million years ago and is perhaps the most famous of all. A massive asteroid roughly 10 kilometers wide struck the area that is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact released tremendous energy, triggering wildfires, earthquakes, and giant tsunamis. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and disrupting food chains across the planet. About 75% of species disappeared, including all non-avian dinosaurs. Mammals, which had previously played a smaller role in many ecosystems, survived and eventually diversified into the forms that dominate much of the modern world. Holocene Extinction. Many scientists consider the present day to be part of an ongoing extinction event. Unlike previous mass extinctions driven mainly by natural forces, this one is largely linked to human activity. Habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, overfishing, invasive species, and excessive hunting have placed thousands of species at risk. Some animals have already vanished within recorded history, while many others face uncertain futures. The significance of this extinction lies in the fact that it is unfolding during human civilization, making its outcome closely connected to decisions being made today.